ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is James Spann. You've clicked onto the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 15th day of October. Warm and dry again today, but a pretty good shot of cool air dips in here about the time the weekend arrives. Let's talk about it. We'll check some of the Skycam shots. And these were captured last night as the sun was going down during our 6 o'clock news. That was the view coming from the Livingston Skycam on the campus of the University of West Alabama. You can see that little sliver of the sun on the horizon there. Down south, oh, that's nice. The Gulf Shore Skycam. The sun going down right down the coastline this time of the year. That was at about 6:15. And at the same time up in Cullman, the sun was down. On the horizon there, you can see the steeples of the Sacred Heart Church in downtown Cullman. Well, this morning, we've still got the upper ridge over the southeast. That means we'll be up in the low and mid-80s again today. Not exactly feeling like fall, but hey, look at the trough out west and look at the temperatures out west. Yeah, what a sharp gradient there between the warm air we have and the cold air over the Rockies. That front is over Texas and Oklahoma, and that cool air will be felt here by Friday and the weekend. In advance of the push of cool air, we will have a little band of showers Thursday night and Friday morning. There's the QPF map, and this is suggesting rainfall amounts of about a quarter inch, and that looks right. You know, for a while they had nothing, then I had too much, but I think that's right on the money. Heavier rains back off to the west over parts of eastern Texas and Louisiana and Arkansas. And by golly, we got a hurricane out there. Look at the tropics. We've got Tropical Depression 16 in the western Caribbean and Hurricane Omar in the eastern Caribbean. Here's a look at Omar, a nice CDO, central dense overcast. That's moving up toward Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands, where they certainly are going to have a problem tonight. But northeast is the trajectory here. A big trough will force it that way, so it'll be coming up over the Virgin Islands, then out into the open Atlantic. Well to the east of Bermuda, so once it gets past the island, no threat to any landmass. And on TD16, that is a problem for Central America, and flooding is the issue there. It really can't strengthen much. It could become a tropical storm Paloma, cutting across the coast of Honduras. And again, heavy rain and mudslides, the problem there, but no threat to the United States mainland. GFS, the Global Forecast System, this is valid at 1 o'clock today, about 18,000 feet off the ground. This is the 500 millibar level, ridging going on here. And again, sunny and warm is the word, low to mid-80s today. Tomorrow, our front gets closer, and you can see those showers trying to creep into northwest Alabama tomorrow afternoon. And we probably better mention the chance of a shower, I think, tomorrow afternoon, but we think the better chance will be tomorrow night. And then Friday, the front kind of drifts on down to the south, and by midday, more than likely, the shower should be south of Birmingham. So late tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, Friday morning, a few showers, no big rain. And then Saturday, starting off the weekend, troughing over the eastern coast of the U.S. And again, you can see the cold air advection, not quite as sharp on the last couple of runs. That would suggest maybe a high close to 70 on Friday and Saturday, but I still think we get down in the 40s Sunday morning. In fact, there's Sunday, the surface high, really a little east of here. So just fantastic weather, though. Very comfortable, wonderful fall conditions. Great for football or anything else. Monday of next week, we stay dry. Tuesday of next week, a sunny day. Now, we'll just keep on going next week. We'll take a look at Wednesday and check out the action off to the west while we stay dry. Thursday, the 23rd, a nice shortwave showing up there west of here. And then Friday, the 24th, that shortwave rotates through Alabama, and down below that, we get wet. And you can see the timing and the exact details of that we just don't know yet because it's beyond 7 days, but this is suggesting the next good rain might be a week from this Friday. That's Friday the 24th. And at the end of the period, on the 30th of October, Halloween Eve, and again, the models have been all over the board here. Now we've got the westerlies a little north of here, and that hints at maybe some type of showers, but confidence out there at this point is very low. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so this afternoon. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Weather.